Hi, thank you to everyone who tuned in last week for my webinar on on-site engraving. I'm really grateful to have had the opportunity to talk about what I love to do. Our engraving systems and products are available to anyone that is interested in creating a unique experience for their customers and to offer the simple-to-use engraving system to increase your product sales and create some free time in your life. We are lucky to have been able to have the ability to grow through our customers' needs by developing our own engraving systems that are simple, quiet, mess-free, and have very little setup and training. While building our personalized product line, we can offer everything from bag tags to pins to name badges and wine carriers, keychains, and money clips. As we all know, engraving is thousands of years old, and there are many different types of engraving. What we specialize in is diamond drag engraving. As I mentioned in the webinar last week, it's very important to have the right equipment to execute any on-site event properly. And I can't say this enough because we've already been there, and that's why we've developed what we've developed and grown into what we are. From the initial setup to his busy lunch hour to breaking down, it really does have to be fluid so that that event or person that hired you or who may hire you the next time will see what an amazing and simple experience this really can be. Jupiter has now designed and developed two simple-to-use engraving systems. Both are quiet, quick, and mess-free, and they're easy to train on, and actually I set up all my sales calls and tech calls on FaceTime. As I mentioned in my webinar, in 2002, the concept of creating a small, lightweight, quiet engraving system that we could not only use at our events, but to sell to our customers afterwards came about because of on-site engraving. The original system we used did not work for us. It was very heavy. You could only do one bag tag or product at a time, and it was very difficult to train and support on. And at that time, there really was no easy-to-use lightweight engraver, and many of the golf facilities that we were engraving at were looking for an easy system so that they could engrave their member bag tags, their guest tags, and their name badges primarily. Because we needed to train volunteers and staff easily, we decided to develop a template system based on what we and our customers were ordering. We also did this to assure that orders for products were coming through us, which allowed us to maintain our revenue stream in two different ways, products and engraving. Both of our systems use a template system, and we offer both standard cuts that we have and custom cuts if someone wants to order a custom product in any shape or size. Both systems' software allow for movement of text boxes to create an easy setup with no limitations. The videos that will follow will show you how easy both systems are and how similar they are, but not in their look. This video will show you how easy it is to engrave and train on our Jupiter on-site engraver. I'm going to show you now how easy it is to engrave a bag tag. As you will see, it will only take a minute. It is completely quiet and hands-free. First, you take the template that matches your product and place the product into the template. You then put the template onto the base of the engraver. You then pull up the matching template on the computer screen. Once you are there, you click inside the text box. You type whatever it is you would like to have engraved on your bag tag. Hit print just like you would a Word document. Once that is done, all you have to do is hit the view button on the engraver. The engraver tool is made out of a diamond tip, so it never has to be changed. You can use many different fonts for any type of engraving that you would like. You can engrave corporate logos on any of the products. Corporate logos are digitized for free, and the engraving only takes a minute. Custom templates are available for pre-existing products around the golf facility. The engraver includes a 5-year replacement warranty, and the laptop a 1-year replacement warranty. Once the engraving is completed, all you have to do is hit the view button again and take your product out. As you have seen, the Jupiter Sports engraving machine is simple to use, quiet, hands-free, and takes very little of your staff's time. So that was our on-site engraving system. And in 2013, we decided to design and develop our own system from scratch for our customers to use in-house. I located an amazing engineer who had a great knowledge of writing G-code and building a sleek, simple system. We had a long list of needs, and we actually accomplished them very easily. We wanted to maintain our pricing under $4,000 retail. We wanted to assure it was a self-contained unit so that there was no additional software that was required to purchase. We wanted to make sure it was easy to solve any tech issues. So we decided to operate the software through a thumb drive so we can easily support on tech calls and have an easy way to upgrade the system without having to send it back. We wanted to require little accessories to operate it. We wanted it to be quiet, hands-free, and mess-free. And we wanted it to take very little time to set up and engrave. More of like a plug and engrave system. Originally, we thought that selling our engraver would take business away from our on-site engraving events, but in retrospect, it's allowed us more time to service more accounts all over the country, or the world for that matter, while still supporting them with our on-site engraving support and our products. This video is going to show you how easy it is to engrave on our Jupiter engraving system. And I shouldn't say us, how easy it is for our customers to be able to do this. This engraving system was designed and developed specifically for our customers. I'm now going to show you how easy it is to engrave a bag tag. As you will see, it is quiet, quick, and hands-free. First, choose the template that matches the product that you're going to be using, and place the product into the template. Next, from the template library, choose your matching template software. Click inside the text box and type what you would like engraved. Using F11, you can make the font smaller, or choosing F12, you can make it larger. From the font pull down, choose one of the 5 standard fonts. Click Engrave, and your product is going to be engraved. The engraving tool is made out of a diamond, so it never has to be changed. The cost of both our engraving systems are $39.95 retail. Our on-site engraver operates through a laptop, which we include with a pre-installed software. Our Jupiter engraving system is a self-contained unit, so the software is already included. The customer using our system will need to provide a designated monitor, keyboard, and mouse only. Jupiter is a multifaceted company, and that includes the promotional product side, the engraving side, and the sports side. We never considered not offering a full product line with our engraving systems. For us, why wouldn't we? We had customers that wanted on-site engraving and needed the products, as well as customers that wanted the engravers and used our products anyway. We sell the preferred quote-unquote razor method, so once we have the engraver or an event in place, we get the order for the products. This is unique to what most other companies are doing. They either sell the engraver, or the products, or a service. We offer it all, which has continued to make us successful, and it's been able for us to continue with really good customer service and keep our customers for a really long time. Our engravers engrave on metal, so we offer different types of metals: aluminum, brass, copper, zinc. But we have developed a side plate so that can be added to our leather line to easily personalize pouches, wine carriers, golf covers, cigar pouches, and more. We offer high quality finishes so that we can make sure that there's no chipping or rusting on our products. We started in golf, and many of those products have had to been designed and plated for all weather situations. Over the past year and a half, we've been growing in our on-site engraving with some nationally located marathons, for example, wanting engraving of their medals all over the country. And we've also been selling more engraving systems than ever around the country and want to service them even better. I've decided to build the Jupiter Engraving Network so that together we can secure national accounts to support on a local basis. This video will give you an idea of where I'm going with this type of a network. I believe that together with our extensive histories, the Jupiter engraving systems, and our full line of product, we can create a unique offer that no one else has done. This type of a network can go to large national businesses, charities, organizations, and offer them personalizations and products and consistent services. I know that what I've learned and seen in 17 years, and with the input of your thoughts and customers, we can build and grow this network into an amazing, unique offering. The layout will be something like 10 to 15 major territories that will be serviced with the support of the lead territory team. This will allow you to create a division within your company that you can grow through on-site engraving and engraving system and product sales. I mentioned the Orlando Magic in my webinar because I really thought that an organization like this would never have used our actual engraving system, and that if they did, I would have lost revenue from it. I have created a unique experience in a huge market that I know will only continue to grow. I hope this has given you some more information on Jupiter Engraving and how you can build your business, and together we can create more revenue through on-site engraving, engraver sales, and product sales. Jupiter is currently looking to grow with you through our Jupiter Engraving Network that will allow a team of people to work together to service accounts larger than ourselves. We will be at the APA International Show, and we'll be looking to lock up our territories prior to that event. If you're interested in being a part of the Jupiter Engraving Network, please call or email me today. Thanks so much.